right, Leo, beautiful day. God bless. Anyway, 2014 Heritage Softail Classic. It's got the Cholo style going already. I think it looks good, but Cholo times two, I guess. He's gonna go with 16-inch ape hangers on here. We're gonna go with a Magnum shield and cable kit. And then the big thing is we're going with the Hawg Halters raked out front end kit because he's putting on front and rear wheels, but he's putting on a 23-inch front wheel. So like I said, this is gonna be a nice before and after. This is gonna be like Cholo 2.0. We'll do it, we'll see how it comes out. It's gonna be nice. All right, Leo, 2014 big wheel bike is a wrap. 23-inch front wheel installed, also new rear wheel. Went with the 52 Mammoth spoke. Also went with 16-inch ape hangers, and then we did the Magnum shielding ABS cable kit to go along with that. And then a couple of knickknacks here and there. He went with some new grips, levers, axle covers. He's got the revolver axle covers and grips going on. So all in all, nice before and after. The customer's got a wraparound fender that's at paint, so our job on this end is done. We're gonna get it to him. He's gonna mock up, install that fender, and this bike will be good to go. 2014 Heritage Softail, 23-inch big wheel. It's a wrap.